Okay, 2019 Porsche Macan, and I did a great big collision dent here. It was right in here. It was all here, and looks pretty good. Came out pretty good. I didn't color sand it either. There's a few tap down marks on it, and I'm not going to color sand it. I typically don't. I try not to color sand anything on any of these cars. And I spent, I don't know, an hour and maybe an hour and a half on it or something. I don't know. I don't even know what time it is. It's yeah, it's 1 o'clock. So I spent a couple hours on it, and not too difficult of a dent to do. It was underneath the flat brace, right up in next to the skin on the car, on a great big shoulder. This is a great big shoulder on this car. So these cars are, you got this big shoulder. You can't necessarily go down through the windshield. You have to go through you have to take the door panel off the car. But it came out really good. I'm definitely pleased with it. And I didn't color sand it either. Color sand it with any imperfections that are on the panel. Color sand it will completely remove it. It'll kind of take out the orange peel on the panel, but it'll also take down any marks that your tool leaves on the panel. So I'm really happy with it. 2019 Porsche Macan.